In this video, I'll show you how to rename the checkout button on the cart page in Shopify Horizon theme. At first, make sure to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the Online Store. Now look for Horizon theme, then click on three dots, then select Add a default theme content. On this page, at top right corner, click on Search and Filter. In the search field, type Checkout. Now scroll all the way down, under Content, look for Checkout, and that's where you can edit the button text. For this example, let me change the text to something different, such as Continue to Checkout. And finally, at the very top, click on Save. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your cart page and try refreshing it. And as you can see right here, the checkout button text was updated. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.